Hello everyone, this is Merdad and today we are talking about meters, the devices that track our gas, water and electricity usage. We want to know what happens when they mess up. More specifically, we answer the question, what is cross meter? In fact, meters may have two main problems. Number one, malfunctions. This could be internal wear and tear, bad parts, or even a mistake during installation. And number two, reading problems. Even with manual reading, mistakes can happen and fancy smart meters can have communication issues too. There is a sneaky problem called a cross meter that more likely happens in complex buildings and apartments. This is when your meter gets mixed up with someone else. So you pay for their electricity and they pay for yours. They happen by mistakes during installation and or when faulty wiring scrambles the data and as a result, you might be overpaying for your neighbor's party while they enjoy cheap electricity or vice versa. Cross-metering issue happened to me a few months ago and I'm sharing this YouTube video to warn you that it is hard to spot a cross meter and it rarely happens, but as a preventive measure, it is better to make sure correct meters are registered for your property when you rent or buy one. High bills, like unexplained spikes in your bill compared to usual usage, can be a sign of occurring a cross meter. Further, meter readings when there is a big difference between your meter reading and your neighbor's might also be another sign. The steps you need to do if you are not an authorized one and think you have a cross meter are as follows. Step 1. Contact your electricity supplier. They can investigate and fix it or they will guide you. Step 2. Gather evidence. Keep copies of bills, meter readings, and any communication. Step 3 is seek help. If your supplier isn't helpful, contact the energy ombudsman. In my case, besides a lot of headache, effort, tests, paperwork, and document preparations, it took months to get it resolved. However, following up on my case resulted in a big refund from the electricity provider, a gesture of goodwill, and a letter of apologize for the shortfalls in customer service. Finally, by being aware and taking action, you can avoid cross-meter headaches and ensure you are only paying for the energy you use. Thank you for your attention.